Here I have the movement all cleaned up and ready to go back into the case. Ticks away just fine. This arm here is what trips the left bellow, and this pedestal, when it turns, it is what trips the left bellow. And that's why they call them quarter-hour cuckoo clocks. Here it says, West Germany, no joules adjusted. But pretty simple clocks. But they're all, you have to take the thing all apart just to get to everything. The movement itself has to come out from the front of the clock, and it's held into place by typically 4 nails. A lot of times there are only 3 nails. And but you have to access it from taking the front plate off. Which, in this case, was nailed on with these 3 nails. And so I'll put that back on, but I need to put the chain on first, and I forgot to do that. So, time to take these nails back out. Yeah, I could put the chain on with the movement in the case, but it's just a lot easier to do it out of the case. And this is probably one of the difficult things to do, is keeping this chain on once you got it on. And you want to make sure that the click works fine, which it does. And the click, I don't know if you can see it, it's only a spring-driven system on this clock. I typically don't take these movements apart. Like I said in another video, there's these little tabs here that you bend to get the movement apart, and these tabs will break on you. And so I typically don't take the movement apart. And they weren't designed to be worked on, really. But they're cute little clocks once you got them running properly. And so that's why I work on them. Get the chain about halfway up, and go ahead and put it in its proper holes. Let's start all over here again. Got everything all twisted around. I'm gonna stick a toothpick or something in the chains, a piece of wire, and that way they don't come undone on me. While I'm putting everything else on this clock together. Little tap on the nail here. Putting the minute arbor on. And the wheel here. Unlike a main clock, there's typically a washer or something keeping this wheel in place, but there's not on these novelty clocks. So keep that in mind. Trying to get the nail holes lined up. I should be able to push it on. And there we go. Now it's time to glue the bellows back on. And I got them all repaired. So we'll show you the next step after the bellows have glued on and dried. Hope you're liking this video. Please hit the subscribe button for more exciting videos.